Hey y'all, welcome back. It's me, Mish, and today we doing cookies, not crumble, but famous Amos. We got famous Amos cookies in the building. They got 3 new little flavors, so we finna go ahead and try them. They got Belgian chocolate, Philippine coconut, and white chocolate chips. And Mediterranean hazelnut and chocolate chips. Okay, I see where they're going with it. They trying to be foreign. If you're not foreign, then you must be boring. Duh. Okay. You know how I do. A little bit of nanigans here and there. All right, let's go down to it. We're gonna hop right into the chocolate ones. That's just regular chocolate, Belgian chocolate, and all that. I don't even remember what regular famous Amos. Do we got some over there? I don't even remember what regular famous Amos chocolate tastes like to even tell you what the Belgian one gonna be like. It's like dark chocolate. It's kind of dark. It's not hella sweet like that. It's alright. I wouldn't get these again. Belgian chocolate is kind of bitter. It don't have no sweetness to it at all. Next, I'm gonna get them a 5. Yes, they bitter. Next, coconut. Oh, these darker. Oh, these smell good too. Him. Yeah, coconut, taste of chocolate. It's good. These are my favorite ones so far. I'm gonna put these to the side because you see how I want to eat another one. Yep, you taste the coconut. It's sweet. Then definitely a 10. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend because I'm about to finish that bag as soon as I'm done with this video. How many calories is the whole bag? 290? Oh, yeah. I'll do my crumble review tomorrow. But run, them is good. Philippine coconut, okay. All right, next, Mediterranean hazelnut and chocolate chip. I already know I'm gonna like this because I love hazelnut. That high. It's like a funky little, I don't know. It's something different with them. You know, I wouldn't get neither one of them. I wouldn't get the Belgian one or the Mediterranean one. Stick to what you know. The coconut with white chocolate. So out of all 3, yeah, the coconut that's my favorite one out. Hazelnut one. Okay, yeah, it is hazelnutty, but it's not sweet. It's like, why y'all go way overseas and don't come back with the, you know, Z's? Because it's not giving what it's supposed to get. These are supposed to be overly sweet. Y'all making me want to go over there and get a regular bag of famous Amos and come and try them and see if I'm tripping, if them sweet. It gotta be because these sweet. Maybe it's sweet because of the white chocolate. I'm gonna go get a bag. I'll be right back. Oh, I'm hella molded. It's definitely not none over there. But anywho, and kaboom. Y'all down below, let me know. Make sure to like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see y'all next time. Thank you.